Good morning, students. Today is Friday, and as you know, we are having our English grammar class today. As always, today we will again going to learn a new chapter. So today our topic is helping verb, that is, am, and are. Today we are going to learn how to use these all helping verbs, am and are. We use is, am, are in different places, like we use am for I, is for a singular noun or pronoun, are for you and a plural noun or a pronoun. For example, my name is Reena, I am a student, I am 6 years old. In these three statements, we use is, am and for helping verb. Next statement, my father is a doctor. My eyes are blue. My teeth are white. There are ARR are helping verbs. Now, let's move to the exercise. So students, now let's start our exercise. First exercise is fill in the blanks with is /am/are. Here is a sign. It is called slash. It divides two different words. Okay, so we are using only one option from this in all these questions. Okay, so first question is I dash a student. I, what will be here? From is, am, are, what we will write here? I am a student. It means मैं एक छात्र हूँ. Got it? Now question number 2. I dash your friend. I is your friend? No. I am your friend? Yes, I am your friend. Let's move to our next question. What we have given? You dash late today. You is late today? No. You am late today? No. You are late today. आज तुम लेट हो. आज तुमने देरी कर दी. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. Radha dash my sister. Radha am my sister. Radha are my sister. No. Radha is my sister. Okay. Radha is my sister. So what we will write here is. Understand, dear students? Now let's see next question. Question number 5. The grass dash green. The grass dash green. Here is grass because plural of grass is a grasses. So that we use the grass is green. Okay students, now let's see question number 6. THAT that man dash my uncle. That man is my uncle because here is a man. Man is a singular form, that's why we will use is. That man is my uncle. When we will use are? When we are talking about plural form. Okay, plural words will carry always are and singular will carry always is. Now question number 7. Kapil dash a good player. Because Kapil is a singular, it is a one only, so that we will use is. Kapil is a good player. Now question number 8. RAJNI Rajni dash a good dancer. Again Rajni is a singular, then we will write here is. Rajni is a good dancer. Okay. Now let's move to question number 9. THESE. These flowers dash lovely. Flowers is plural form. What I have told you, what we will use with the plural forms? We will use are. Okay students, these flowers are lovely. ये फूल प्यारे हैं. Okay. Now question number 10. THESE, these mangoes dash sweet. Now here are many mangoes. Okay, so that we will use are, because we always use are with the plural form. So what we will write here? We will write are. These mangoes are sweet. Okay. Now question number 11. Mr. Kapoor. Mr. Kapoor dash a rich man. Just because of we are talking here about Mr. Kapoor, because Mr. Kapoor is a singular form, that's why we will use is, only is, not are. Okay, Mr. Kapoor is a rich man. Now question number 12. MONKEYS. What it says? MONKEYS. Monkeys. Monkeys means it is a plural form. So that what we will use here? Monkeys are clever animals. Monkeys are clever animals. Okay, and please don't forget to put full stop in each and every sentences when you have end up with the sentence. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Our next exercise is to complete the sentences with is, am or are. Okay, here is again slash sign which divides two different words from each other. Okay, now question number 1. What I have told you students, यहाँ पर आपको इन sentences को complete करना है. यहाँ पर आपको is, am and are में से कोई भी एक put करना है और इस sentence को complete करना है. First question आपके लिए करके दिया हुआ है. First question is already have done for you all. So what we have given, let's see. First, you, you slash not very tall. You not very tall. So in place of slash, we will use helping verb that is given to us. What are they? They are is, am and are. Okay. So from is, am, are, we will use any one of them. Okay. We will not use all the three. We will use only one from all the three. Okay. So what we will write here? You are not very tall, because we know with you and a plural form we use always are. Okay, so let's see. We will solve next question. Question number 2. We slash not late today. We is itself plural form, so that we will use we are not late today. हम आज लेट नहीं है, हमने आज देरी नहीं की. So what we will write here? We are not late today. Okay. Now question number 3. I slash not your servant. I, because I is a singular thing and always we use am with I, and always we use I with am. Okay. So I am not your servant. मैं तुम्हारी नौकर नहीं हूँ. Okay. Now question number 4. THOSE those, EGGS eggs dash not good. Those eggs, because here are many eggs. We are talking about many eggs. That's why we will write here. What we will write? Are, because with the plural forms we always use are. Okay. So what we will write here? Those eggs are not good. वो अंडे अच्छे नहीं थे. Understand? Now let's move to question number 5. Question number 5 says THESE these apples dash not red. Again students, here are apples. So apple is plural form itself. Okay, so these apples what are not red. Okay, understand everyone? Let's do some more exercise. This mango dash not now here the statement is saying about only one mango, not more mangoes. Okay, so this mango is not sweet. This mango is not sweet. Okay, now question number 7. Question number 7 says the old man means बूढ़ा व्यक्ति. The old man dash not happy. Now here is old man is singular form, so that what we will use here, the old man is not happy. Okay, now question number 8. M-A-D-H-U Madhu slash not a good answer. Now students, tell me, Madhu is plural form or a singular form? Tell me. Madhu is a singular form because here is only one girl and this girl is a form singular form. Okay, so what we will write here? Madhu is not a good answer. Madhu is not a good answer. Okay, now question number 9. See, the lion dash not a small animal. The lion is not a small animal because lion is a singular form but lions are plural form. So here is lion only, so that we will use is. The lion is not a small animal. Lion छोटा जानवर नहीं है. Okay students, move to the next question. This question is very easy and very interesting because whenever you need to ask something, you always use helping verbs in the starting of the sentences. Like, let's see how it forms. First statement is you dash a student. Okay, so you are a student is a statement, that is not question, but here is a question mark, that's why it should be a question. But if we will put here are, you are a student, then it will not form a question. But when we use are in the very first position of the question, then it form a question. Now let me explain in Hindi for you all. Okay, so बच्चों, यहाँ पर is and are दिया हुआ है. is and are को जब हम is and are helping verbs है, and जब हम इन helping verbs को किसी भी स्टेटमेंट, किसी भी वाक्य के सामने लगाते हैं, वह वाक्य एक क्वेश्चन में, प्रश्न में बदल जाता है. स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, एंड दिस एक्सरसाइज विल बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर यू ऑल. ओके, सो व्हाट इट सेज, लेट्स सी. कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चंस विद इज एंड आर. इज और आर को यूज करते हुए आपको इन वाक्यों को, इन स्टेटमेंट्स को क्वेश्चन बनाना है, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि जब भी हम ये वाला साइन देखते हैं, ये क्या है, क्वेश्चन मार्क का साइन है. जब भी हम ये क्वेश्चन मार्क का साइन देखते हैं बच्चों, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि वो जो सेंटेंस है वो हमसे कुछ पूछ रहा है. ठीक है, सो देखते हैं सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है. यू डैश अ स्टूडेंट. अगर हम यहाँ पर आर पुट करते हैं, सो व्हाट इट फॉर्म, यू आर अ स्टूडेंट. लेकिन यू आर अ स्टूडेंट एक क्वेश्चन नहीं है, it not form a question, so that we will use are in the very first position of the statement. Okay, so are you a student? क्या तुम स्टूडेंट हो? Now it form a question. Okay, similarly we will do our next question. Question number 2. That dash your dog. If we use is in place of slash, okay, what it will form, that is your dog. वह तुम्हारा कुत्ता है. लेकिन यह एक क्वेश्चन नहीं बना भी, है ना. हमें इसे क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए क्या करना होगा, अभी मैंने बताया क्या करना होगा. जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब हम यहाँ पर यूज कर रहे हैं उसे हमको सामने ले जाना पड़ेगा। उसको कहाँ ले जाना पड़ेगा? सामने। सो क्या बनेगा बच्चों? Is that your dog? Is that your dog? क्या वह तुम्हारा कुत्ता है? एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क तो मस्ट है, ये तो लगाना ही है हमें। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, शी डैश योर फ्रेंड। नाउ यहाँ पर हम क्या पुट करेंगे? क्योंकि शी एक सिंगुलर फॉर्म है, सो दैट हम यहाँ पर इसका प्रयोग करेंगे। शी इज योर फ्रेंड, बट शी इज योर फ्रेंड इज अ स्टेटमेंट, नॉट अ क्वेश्चन, सो दैट we will use is in the very first position, like is she your friend? Is she your friend? क्या वह तुम्हारी फ्रेंड है? ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ सिमिलरली आप ये सारे क्वेश्चंस कर लेंगे अपनी कॉपी में और मुझे अपनी कॉपी की पिक लेकर भेजेंगे। अगर बच्चों इनमें से किसी भी क्वेश्चन पे आपको कोई डाउट होता है किसी भी स्टेप पर, तो फिर आप मुझे क्लियरली पूछ सकते हैं। ओके, सो दैट्स इट फॉर द डे। गुड एंड स्टे होम एंड स्टे सेफ।